My name is Volker Kugel. I'm the director of the Blooming Baroque in Ludwigsburg. The Blooming Baroque is the palace garden around the Ludwigsburg Residence Palace. The garden is 24 hectares. We have a total of 30 gardeners who maintain the park. In spring, around 300,000 pansies and forget-me-nots and around 100,000 tulips and daffodils are planted. Kilometers of hedges of all sizes are cut 2 or 3 times a year, and then of course, as in many large parks, there are wide lawns. We usually mow those lawns once a week during the season. Healthy employees are happy employees. We've already achieved a lot in terms of sustainability. We must continue to develop health-promoting technology for our employees. That's going to be increasingly important in the future. We work during the visiting hours of our park. That means that our visitors are exposed to noise and exhaust fumes with the gasoline engine. And so we decided to do something about that. We're transitioning to battery tools. That has been very well received. And of course, the side effect is that it's also a huge advantage for our employees to work with rechargeable batteries.
My name is Ulrich Fendler, and I have been here at the Blooming Baroque for 33 years as a gardener, or rather now as a master gardener. My job is simply to do the day-to-day work here, related to maintenance and projects. I'm really excited about the new brush cutter products, which actually bears the entire load in the harness and are designed so that the weight is not a burden at all. I can balance it nicely and guide it. If a machine has no vibration, if I don't have exhaust fumes in my nose, if I don't need hearing protection because it's easier, quiet and it's balanced in a way that my back is protected, what's better than that? I am glad that the brush cutter is ergonomically designed, and so you can work with it for hours. With our quiet battery equipment, we can do our park clearing even at 6:30 in the morning. The new brush cutters are just perfectly comparable with the fuel-driven ones regarding the power and the speeds. I'm overwhelmed. I am surprised. Since we've had the battery machines on the job, I've noticed a lot more employees reaching for the equipment who don't normally work with the machines. Of course, you have to make sure when you assign employees that not everyone is always doing the same job. I try to assign different jobs to people so the activities are varied and diversified. My boss said that work can also be fun, and I really enjoy every part of it. Especially once a hedge has been trimmed and the weeds are being controlled and the flowers are blooming, then I'm happy. In the future, I hope that the development of such innovative and great products will continue, so that the work can be done faster and better, and of course, it can also be fun.